Thinking of starting an aquaponics system installation business in Singapore? With growing demand for sustainable food production and space-efficient farming, aquaponics is gaining strong traction among urban farms, schools, and commercial growers. An aquaponics installation business may design, build, and maintain integrated fish and plant systems for rooftops, warehouses, educational institutions, or community farms. The first step is to register your company with ACRA and define the appropriate agriculture, engineering, and technical service activities. Next, regulatory awareness is important. While aquaponics is a sustainable solution, businesses must comply with land use guidelines, food safety requirements, and environmental standards where applicable. System design, water management, and biosecurity practices are critical for long-term success. Operational planning plays a key role. This includes sourcing equipment, system design expertise, installation processes, maintenance contracts, and client training. Strong financial planning helps manage project costs, pricing, and tax compliance as your business grows. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support agri-tech and sustainability-driven businesses with company incorporation, regulatory guidance, tax planning, and accounting services, so you can build a scalable aquaponics system installation business.